In question 8, we are trying to identify why the compound that's given is unable to undergo SN1, SN2, E1, or E2 reactions. In other words, under the conditions that give us substitution or elimination, this compound does not work at all. And we want to know why. So SN2 is probably the easiest to explain. The reason that this does not undergo SN2 is because the leaving group is tertiary. And we've talked about many times in this course that tertiary leaving groups just don't undergo SN2 reactions. The other three have pretty much the same reason. And the issue is, at this carbon here, if SN1, then we have a carbocation intermediate, and that carbocation is sp2. For E1 and E2, we have an sp2 carbon there for the product. And in order to be sp2, what's the geometry? Well, an sp2 carbon is trigonoplanar. Now, the way that bicyclic ring system is set up, there's no way for it to ever be planar. And we're talking about specifically the bridgehead carbon. The carbons out here on the outside, they could certainly be planar. They might not want to be, but they can adopt that kind of geometry. But the bridgehead carbon, the one that has the leaving group on it, there's no way that that carbon can ever become planar. And so because it can't be planar, it won't work for SN1, E1, or E2.